which we can get from.
Kecheng jirpidan pinia bang taku puthot ilitum Miss KYF fortes lilang poning lana pinia bang ke ala ang bonglom remba ketam pen ha jut pina la bangsu binar ko masigilong ma la jut pin ana fortes lilang poning lana lalu nili lepuson si nampak lang poning bom pining indeng pikir ranar kep Karbi resun misorong je ala marjana bang nili long fortes to pigla lepuson si nili nampak lang poning bom pining bang nili mithang mat vlog sabang selama por bedelo nili previous video long tanang nang cithan poning lo lalu nili long footage to pigla puso si nili ang paklang poning bom po kaprek footage to pigla torang de pini lamar jan like Kecheng pen Kejut lang poning lo na.
non nang litum alam sak nanti cha mohe nang litum na pumati assi ke thipen side ai ri side ko e mina ha side na ali nali ri side na rap plus yalang li khan puthot stage lang an ka bain phase chune rela I would like to request the choreographer of the final round Mr. Prasan host one of our
Contribution to the society.
Okay, so once again, good evening to everyone. And my greatest contribution to the society, it will be for the young generation that grow up, be confident, and give respect to others and to environment itself. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Hello. Hi, ma'am.
Question to you, what is more important to you, money or fame, and why?
It's fame, ma'am.
And why?
Because when you are well known, famous, I think money comes automatically. That's it. Thank you.
Okay. Let me ask in Karbi. Karbi ciklo yang ini amen Karbi
important lesson for us to learn from life. What is the most important lesson for us to learn from life?
Thank you so much for your question, sir. So my answer to your question will be the most important lesson that we have to learn from our life is that we should not stop trying. We should always be confident enough and we should keep trying. And no matter how hard life will throw us apart from the goal that we have set, but we have to be focused and we have to reach our goal by any means. No matter how life to our goal. Thank you so much.
Yeah, good, thank you.
Baby, how are you feeling?
I'm feeling great, Miss.
Comfortable with both the language?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, so my question goes, why is it important to wear our traditional attire? Kopi apot si ili traditional attire kachi I nang ji kenang sodlo.
It is important to wear our traditional attire to showcase our culture and tradition and identify our culture. Thank you, Miss.
Thank you so much. Hello.
Hi, Miss.
Hi. So my question to you,
Hello, sir.
tell me what success means to you.
Thank you for your question, Miss. My answer to you is success is satisfaction with that of what you are doing or what you have, and this is what you know you will be. Thank you, Miss.
Thank you.
Charani, English law?
Yes, sir.
Karbi ma English law?
English.
English, okay. Now tell me, what are your thoughts on the Miss KYF 2022?
Well, that's a very good question. Thank you so much, sir. My thoughts for Miss KYF 2022 is that we could see so many new things, like the Museum of Notenki, which was not well developed back then, but this year it is inaugurated in such a beautifully and many things. People are starting to know about our culture and traditions, and so many people from not just here but from outside of Assam are trying to visit because of this Karbi festival, and that is what it makes this Karbi festival so beautiful. Thank you.
Which celebrity do you idolize and why?
Nang ninggihang a celebrity kumatlo lapen ko people lo nang ninggihang kaso celebrity pa.
Nilinginggehan kay Kecheng pa.
And why? People lo.
Alang kiklaim kita misen na pen at figure lahayan ta misen. Thank you so much. Thank you, Miss.
Hello, Jyoti B. Sangma.
Hello, ma'am.
How are you feeling?
I'm feeling good.
English?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So my question is, what is the most important lesson for us to learn from life?
Well, thank you for the question, ma'am. Life is all about never giving up. No matter how many times you fall down, you always try to come up and try and be the winner. Thank you.
Hello, ma'am.
So my question to you, what is different between beauty pageant and runway fashion show?
Thank you so much for the question, ma'am. Well, according to me, the difference between beauty pageant and runway pageant is because in beauty pageant, the judges and the audience focus on all the beauty queens more on their personality and their talent, about having a compassionate heart, about knowing that what they can do from their crown. It's about being the best individual who can be the one where people get inspired and motivated. And about runway walk, the difference is that they are a model who are really perfect and they help the designer to showcase your outfit. I think this is a difference, and this difference make both of them so beautiful and unique. Thank you so much.
Best catwalk. Best catwalk, I would like to call my best catwalk from Guwahati, that is Mirimili Hansipi. She will do the honors along with Julie Baby. Music loud. To number 5. Number 5.
Contestant number 5, please.
Contestant number 5.
Please come forward.
Contestant number 5. And her name is
do the honors.
first runners up got cash amount of rupees 20,000 sponsored by MP of Karbi Autonomous Council, Sri Horan Singhvi. For winning the title of Miss KYF 2020. And I would request the other contestants to leave the stage. Thank you. Once again announce the subtitle holders, the names of
the subtitle holders, contestant number 8, Kunmili Hans.